With Ashraf from Turbulent Academy. Welcome to the series of Get Solve Paper video tutorials. So in this we have seen two questions previously. Now we'll be seeing our third question, which is from Get 2000 question, which is an automobile of weight W is shown in the figure. A pull P is applied as shown. So they are showing a pull P over here. The reaction at the front wheels at the location A. So they are asking the reaction at A. So yes, it's actually weight W and P are the only forces to be considered, and they have also given us the options, which is W by 2 plus PB by 2A, and it goes on. So let us draw the diagram and we'll start solving it out actually. So first we'll go ahead by drawing it. So first is actually they have given a base. Okay, so we have one wheel. Okay, so it should be on the ground. Okay, one wheel, another wheel. Sorry if the sizes are not correct, just for the sake of understanding. Okay, so like this and somewhat in this way. So direction is changed, but let us consider. Okay, so okay, this should come over here, right? Okay, now if you could see, so this is load P as applied, and this is going to be W weight over here. Okay, now if you could see, this is A and this is A, and the height between the ground is actually B. So let us give a different color. So this is A, so this is A and this is A, and this is going to be B. So if you could draw the free body diagrams, actually it will be like just taking the concept of rollers, and let's assume the wheel is fixed, and yes it is, and we could say that. So this has RY and this has RA, or else AY we could write. So AY, so they are asking reaction at the wheel A, right? So now we'll take this as BY. Okay, so we need to find A. So what we'll do is we'll take the moments about point B. So then we'll get point A in the first step itself. So taking moments about point B, as we all know, wheel is already considered to be a roller joint. Okay, we have seen lots of roller joint, right? So many roller joints are given to us. So like this, and many things are there. In this we consider only the vertical reaction. So likewise this wheel is also a roller joint which has a vertical reaction. Now if you could see and take moments about point B, it would be like first P. So as I've said you already, we take clockwise to be positive and anti-clockwise to be, sorry again I made a mistake, clockwise to be negative and anti-clockwise to be positive. So now P is actually clockwise, and distance for B and perpendicular distance, P into perpendicular distance to B is actually in the clockwise direction, which is rotating in this directions. Okay, so now minus P into B, since it is in clockwise direction. Now we have A, and that AY should come in this direction, right? So which is going in the anti-clockwise direction, which is positive, plus AY into A, distance from A to B is 2A, right? So which is 2A. Again we have W, which is like this. If you consider this point B, this is going in a clockwise direction, which is minus W into A. So moment about B is equal to 0. So this is the answer we have got as of now. Now next is actually what they have asked is reaction at A, right? So we will have to find just the AY, solving the whole equation for AY. So AY into 2A is going to be WA plus PB. Okay, this is the first step. Now if you could see, AY is equal to WA plus PB divided by 2A. So that would be equal to W by 2, plus since A and A gets cancelled, it's going to be PB by 2A. I guess we have this in option B. So this is going to be our final answer. Hence this is taking only reaction. So we have very few options to go for the second method. but here we could see just taking reactions, finding out moments will be the basic to solve any kinds of truss and frame problems. So we have no second method, so only one method is there to solve this problem, and I guess that would be really clear and very neat and clean. And you can even solve it by taking for moment A, finding out the value for B, then you can also solve it by solving for I could write it, but the method is same. I could go it in another way. Okay, just like we have taken moments for B over here, we could take moments for A. Okay, so in that we'll get P, W and By, right? After getting By, we have one more relationship, which is summation of vertical forces is equal to 0, right? So if you want to solve this, that is going to be By plus Ay is equal to W. Okay, once you have found By in the other method, so by taking moments for A, you will get the reaction for B. That if you substitute it over here, you could get Ay, which is going to be the similar answer which is shown here. Okay, I can't say it to be in second method because it doesn't involve any other concept. Okay, the concept is same, taking moments, solving reactions, solving vertical forces, all those involves these equilibrium conditions, right? So it's not going to be necessary to solve it in that way. If you feel that that I should solve it in that way too, just comment it below. I would love to solve it for you if you are really interested. So thank you.